Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the nut and the bolt assembly. For that, we need to open the part drawing. Click on OK. Here we are drawing a M20 nut. For that, we need to select the top plane. Then on the basic modeling tools over here, we click on the polygon. Now we go here. We need to click on the circumscribed circle. The circle dia must be 40. We need to draw the circle of dia 20. So the radius will be 10. So this circle dia will be 20. Click OK. Then on the basic modeling tools over here, click on the extrude boss base. You can see here, and the value will be 20. Click OK. So this is the basic drawing. Then we need to chamfer the edges. For that, we need to come to the front plane. Make sure we can see only two faces over here. If we see like this, we need to change to the two faces direction that is available on the front view. Then using a midpoint line, we draw a line over here. We need to make that angle 330. And we can give the distance 20. Click OK. And we can close. We can close this surface. Then coming to the front plane again, we need to draw a center line over here. So we drew a center line and we draw a surface over here. Then on the basic modeling tools, we move to the revolved cut. So the axis of revolution we need to select for this line, and this thing is revolved over the nut, and click OK, and we can get here we can see that it is chamfered. We need to save this as nut, and we need to give the thread over here. For that, we take the help of whole wizard thread. So this is only for the study purpose. For the production quality thread, we need to create the thread in another way. For that, we need to select the edge of the cylinder. For that, we can click it here. You can see the thread moving down over here. And the distance here, the distance is only 20. And we need to select the metric thread 20. So make sure that IA is 20 over here. And the pitch is 1.5. Make sure the wireframe preview is turned on. And we need to click trim with start face, trim with end face. Here we can't cut this thing, so we need to extrude the thread because we need the projections over here. Click OK.
Now we need to draw the hexagonal bolt.
For that, we select the part drawing again. Again, we select the top plane. We select the polygon. Click on circumscribe the circle. And here, the dia of the circle must be 40. Here it's 90 because this angle we shown here is 90. Click OK. We need to extrude. And here the value is only 16. Click OK. Then coming to the front plane, we take the line. Make sure the angle is 30 and the distance, you can give any distance, make that as 20. Then we need to complete this. Click OK. And we need to draw a center line. Click OK. So we check. So we draw the center over and we have a surface over here. Then we move to the revolved cut. We took the axis of revolution as this line and we can revolve this thing and cut. So we get the chamfer over here. Now we need to draw another circle with radius 10 or dia 20 over here. Then extrude, we can give the value around 80. Click on OK. Again, we move to the thread. So this is for the study purpose only. For production quality, we need to create the thread in another way. We select the edge of the cylinder and we can give the value here as 50. Then we select a value, it is similar to we selected before, 20, 1.5. And here we select the cut thread because we can cut inside this bit. Click on trim start face and trim end face. Click on OK. So we can see the thread over here. Then we need to save this. Give the name as bolt. Save. Save it. Now we are going to the assembly part. Click OK. So they ask for the parts. We select the nut and the bolt. Click open. So here we can see the nut and the bolt. Now we need to mate these options. On the assembly tab, we can see the mate over here. We can see different type of mate option over here. We can take the concentric. You can see it here. We can do the different type of lock arrangement or rotations over here. We can even rotate or change the alignment over here like this. So there are different options over here. Click on OK. So here we can see the nut and the bolt assembly. Then we need to save this assembly. As assembly nut and bolt assembly. Save. Then we can move to the draft. You can see the options here. Click on OK. We can arrange the projections. We can move the projections over here. Make sure on the properties we can see it in the first angle. We can give the note. Give. Likewise, we can write the front view, side view, top view, bottom view over here. And we can give the name over here. Front view. And this is the top view. And this is the other view. You can give the names. And you can do the dimensions. So these are the different dimensions. So these are the main dimensions and give your name. Then we can show the page setup is on A3. You can see the preview over here. Then click on print. OK. Nut and bolt. Thank you.